Hi there, to a new type of video for the channel. Don't worry, this won't become a regular thing. It's an unboxing video. Yes, I have been desperate, eager to get my hands on one of these, a Sonos speaker, so I can basically stream my music in the house here. So I'm going to unbox this for your delectation. Actually, these are my kind of instructions. 1, 2, there you go. That's the setup. Ta-da! It is weighty, this thing. Bluetooth button. USB-C, also there's a microphone on off, speech, volume bar, play and pause. So I've transferred to the kitchen because this is where I'm going to house the speaker. That's not the speaker, that's the speaker. And I wanted white because it was going to sit in the kitchen rather than the black option. Plug in and switch on somewhere. Plug in and switch on there. Oh, we've got a light. We have live. Okay, we now need to set up this speaker, of which I need a smartphone. Now I've already downloaded the Sonos app, and I now need to pair this speaker with the app. Hopefully it should be pretty easy. Connecting, add speaker, sign in. Oh, it knows it's an Era 100, add that to the account. Allow Sonos to record audio, well, okay, while using it. Next, your Era 100 will play a chime with an audio pin to temporarily connect your mobile device to it. Okay, it wants me to add it to my home Wi-Fi. Where am I putting it? I'm going to put it in the kitchen. Let's tune the speaker. Downloading the software first. Set songs as alarms. Well, I don't have it in the bedroom currently. It's been added. Thanks. Now you can basically, this is streaming music, so there are apps, I believe, within this Sonos app to stream your music depending on what account you have. Okay, so I just need to get this set up in regards to, well, we could probably play something here as a test. Kitchen, play. Volume slider there, pause, previous track, next track, and there is a microphone, as I said earlier, on here. You can set up voice activation basically. Well, there you go, you back there. That's probably the fastest unboxing video ever, but I want to play with it, so until the next time.